Indian motorcycle is a famous motorcycle brand today, founded in 1901. Initially, it was not outstanding, but with the development of the situation, the war generated a large number of orders, making it the largest motorcycle sales brand surpassing Harley. The U.S. Army used more than 20,000 motorcycles of various types during World War I, and Indian motorcycle was one of its standard equipment. At that time, motorcycles were very effective vehicles for the military and police departments. Especially, the sidecar motorcycle, or known as the sidecar motorcycle, had greater transport capacity and could undertake more tasks. The U.S. military once mounted a Colt machine gun on the sidecar to make a machine gun vehicle. After World War I, the United States also equipped a large number of sidecar motorcycles for domestic police departments. However, the streets of New York in the 20s and 30s were very turbulent. Gangs with more powerful firepower than the police often engaged in direct conflicts with the police. To solve this problem, the New York Police Department approached Indian Motorcycle Company to design and produce an armored motorcycle, which could be used for patrol, combating smuggling, and helping the police regain control of the streets. This motorcycle was called the Bandit Chaser, and at least 5 were produced before 1927. The engineers of Indian Motorcycle installed protective armor on the sidecar motorcycle to withstand light weapons such as pistols. The front and both sides of the driver's position were protected, and the sidecar was also made of armored plates, providing the passenger with similar shield-shaped armored protection as the driver's seat. The 2 armored front sections were hinged, allowing for expanded visibility when driving normally, and could be raised for observation through the bulletproof glass installed on the armored plates. The engineers of Indian Motorcycle claimed that the additional armor only added 40 pounds of weight, which almost had no impact on the motorcycle's handling and mobility. However, this claim seems to be inaccurate, as the bulletproof plates and glass need to achieve the necessary bulletproof level. These armored sidecar motorcycles were quite successful in use by the New York Police Department. Driving an armored car gave the police more confidence, and it served together with modified sidecar prisoner transport vehicles, making it a major feature of that era. Interestingly, around the 1930s, Harley also targeted the market for armored motorcycles. Previously, we introduced the Swedish L210 armored motorcycle, but they also proposed a police equipment similar to the Bandit Chaser. At first glance, the two seemed very similar, but the upper part of the armor on the Harley motorcycle used a sliding mechanism, and its sidecar had a pointed front end. At a motorcycle show in New York, this type of Harley armored sidecar was displayed, and the exhibitors even staged a cosplay, with 2 police officers hiding behind the armor controlling 3 armed criminals.